Welcome to Design with Miyoshi. I want to clean up a few things with the um, semi. So we're just going to make some sub-assemblies, but we're going to do exploded view first.
But first, I want to thank Northwest Technical Products for sponsoring this video. If you are part of an educational institution in Washington, Alaska, Oregon, Idaho, or Montana, contact Northwest Technical Products for all your SolidWorks and other technical needs. Thanks, Andrew, and all the crew at Northwest Technical Products.
I'm going to make an explode view of this sub-assembly, and I can zoom out just a touch, and I use some control, so I can feel this with the mouse, and then we'll just, all I have to do is pull these dowels out. So I'll grab each dowel, grab all 4 dowels, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'll just move them out, and let's go ahead and move them out 2 inches. And I'll just hit the tab, and that moves them out 2. Oh, let's just move them out 1 instead. Hit the tab, and then I can hit done. And that's really all we need to do for the exploded view for this particular part. So we'll save, and then we'll open the part for this guy. Oops, we don't have a drawing, so I'll make a drawing from the assembly. And this is going to be the hood sub-assembly, so ANSI A is great. And then we'll grab this exploded isometric. And that's kind of small, so let's make it a little bit bigger. And all we have to do is right-click sheet format, go to properties, and let's just make it 1-to-1. That's probably good. There we go. And then we'll make a bill of materials. And the bill of materials come from this guy there. And we only need to do top level because it's just the dowels and the hood, so let's bring that in there. I'll right-click on the column there and we'll delete this column. And then I'll grab the cross with the arrows and put that in that corner, hit the OK, click on the view and do auto balloon. And then we have those 2 guys, I'll do OK. And that's all we need to do. I'll just grab that, pull that over here, pull that over there, make it look really beautiful, hit the OK. And then simply do like we always do. Right click on sheet format, edit sheet format, double click on the A, put in name, all caps, double click on the date, double click on the date. See, let's do that. Double click on the design firm, double click on the design firm, come on. There we go, double click on the design firm. Oopsie, I changed my name here for my design firm. We'll do that, we'll make that a little bit smaller, double click on the title, and this happens to be, come on, here we go. This is my, oopsie, hood sub-assembly. There we go, that looks good. Click in the drawing area, right click sheet format, edit sheet, and there we have it. So I'll just go ahead and save the drawing. And this is good, this looks good, put dowel sub, that's good, hit save. And then we'll just go save as, save this guy as a PDF, hit save. And there we have it, the hood sub-assembly drawing. Thanks for tuning in, we'll see you next time on Design with Miyoshi.